Right. In this example, we're going to write where we want to transform the vector 5, 5, 5, 5 uh, in R4 with the standard bases in terms of our new bases S, which we saw in the last example, spans R4. So it actually is a basis for R4. We want to rewrite the coordinates, if you will, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 in terms of the vectors v1 through v1, v2, v3, and v4 from our set S. Okay, so to do that, we're going to utilize our last theorem. So we're going to take U and we're going to dot it. We're going to take U and dot it with V1 and then divide by the norm of V1. And then that's going to multiply by V1. So this is how much of, this is like the weight of V1 that it corresponds to. Likewise, this is like the weight of U and V2. It's like how much of V2 is in this one. So you're going to take U and dot it with U V2 and then divide by the norm of V2 and then multiply that again by the vector V2 since these are the new coordinates. Okay, and we're going to do the same for U and V3. You'll notice the difference in notation here. In the previous two and the last one, I used the dot. I like the dot for longer vectors because it feels like less cumbersome, I guess. The common notation with the order pair kind of notation, I use a lot for like functions and stuff like that, which I like as well. But just to kind of show you that they are synonymous in this example. The notation just looks different depending on what form is most convenient. Anyways, this is the weight of vector 3. Um, and then this is the direction in vector 3, and then again in vector 4. So computing the dot product and the norm, we get that you have 25 over 21 parts, if you will, of V1. You have 5, if you will, of V2. You have a little less than that of V3, and then much less of V4 are playing an influence in the new coordinates of our vector U in terms of our set S. Okay, and so finally, if we simplify everything, we get the new coordinates for U are 21, 5 over 21, 5 thirds, and 5 sevenths in the new basis of S. So I should note that this is with respect to S, this new basis. Okay. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.